Hi, I'm Annette Gozon Valdez. I'm 51 years old and I work for GMA Network. Well, of course, I always have to make sure that I'm clean and fresh the whole day because I work from morning until night. Of course, you always want to be fresh. Actually, I've been hearing about K-Pads from my friends and I really didn't know anything about it. And then one of my friends showed me a demo and I was quite impressed and I didn't know anything about it. Because of my curiosity, I tried out the product and I was pleasantly surprised that it made me feel fresher. It made me feel actually more energetic the whole day. I was really surprised when I first used K-Pads. It really had this cooling effect that I never experienced with any other pad. And it stayed that way the whole day. So it really made me feel fresh from morning until night. I think my moods became more constant, even in the afternoon, even in the evening. I was feeling still okay, fresh, energetic, less stressed. I don't know if that's attributable to K-Pads, but I really noticed a difference in my mood for the positive. You can really feel the difference when you use K-Pads. You can feel it. There's also a long-lasting effect. I think it made me feel healthier when I started using it. So I really like the product. Yes, I'm already part of the Caring Carry squad and I would really recommend it to my friends. Again, I'm Annette Gozon Valdez. Always be at your best with K-Pads.